Hi, it's Anissa, and it's time to upgrade your old wire grill brush with the new Stone Brush by Corona. Now, why you should use one of these is those old wire grill brushes are actually dangerous. How many times have you noticed a wire brush coming off on your grill? Well, guess what? That can actually get into your food, and that's a recipe for danger. Now, these are great for so many different reasons. It conforms to any grill grate size, and as more you use it, the more it gets into the grooves, and you're gonna clean not only the top, but the sides better, faster, and more efficiently. It's made of pumice stone, which is non-toxic, and you don't need any chemicals to clean your grill. We used this the first time this season on a grill we thought was fairly clean, but look at the grease it picked up. And remember, it'll work on any size grate. Plus, it'll work on cast iron grates, stainless steel, porcelain, anything you have, this will clean it. And it works hot or cold. So if you're looking to upgrade your grill brush, this is it. So head on over to the site and grab one or two today.